is the best vehicle for a professional who specializes in covert operations, advanced firearms, hand-to-hand combat. There's only one car for the job. And it isn't even a car. Sorry about that.
There, Leadfoot.
Your squirrel or something jumped out in front of me. Shh. It's a minivan. Reliable. Durable. And you see how this beauty performs this holiday season in my new movie, The Family Plan, on Apple TV+. Just make sure you spring for that extended warranty. Trust me.
You're like James Bond driving a minivan?
I love that minivan.
Nachukua.
Naboka ziko sawa. Hata ndio wazee zaidi yao. Hizi zote ni mpya. Unajua ni wapi?
Kuja mshike urekodi.
Wamechachisha. Na mbona wamechachisha? Mboga zimechachisha.
Kwani?
Watu wamefikia. Hii naboka ni pia. KTC. Nataka kukwambia hii ni plot yangu.